Rest is not a weakness. I need you to hear that clearly. Rest is not giving up. It is not laziness. It is not failure in disguise. Rest is strategy. Rest is wisdom. Rest is fuel for the next climb. You know, in our world today, they clap for the hustle. They reward the grind. People brag about not sleeping. They wear exhaustion like it's some kind of trophy. But even lions sleep. Even the strongest must pause. And me? I used to feel guilty when I stopped. Even when my body was tired, my mind kept shouting, keep going, or you'll fall behind. Resting means you're not serious enough. But then I realized something powerful. You don't grow when you're always pushing. You grow when you pause, reflect, breathe, and return stronger. The seed doesn't bloom overnight. It rests under the soil, in the dark, unseen, before it ever breaks the surface. That's still growth. You don't have to be seen to be rising. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is sit still, drink water, get quiet, say no, pull back, let your soul catch up with your body. Rest is not weakness. It is how warriors recover. It's how thinkers create. It's how builders rebuild. So if you're tired today, don't let shame creep in. Don't let the noise of the world make you feel like you're falling behind. You are not behind. You are a human being. And humans are not machines. Even the bush needs the rain. Even fire needs space to breathe. Even Kato sometimes needs a nap. So take your rest boldly. Own it. Honor it. Because when you rise again, and you will rise, you'll rise ready. You'll rise rooted. You'll rise wiser than before. And guess what? The dream will still be there. But now you'll be ready to carry it. So remember this: rest is not quitting. Rest is how we last.